Hello guys, welcome to App Classes. Today I am going to show you how to integrate third-party libraries in your application. So basically I am getting some requests from users that show me how to integrate third-party libraries in my application. So this tutorial is all about showing you to how to integrate any library in your application. So I am going to integrate this library called Android GIF Drawable. So basically this library is used for using GIFs in your application. Like sometimes we need to add GIFs, animated GIFs in our application to make our application more interesting, more visually attractable. So this library is used for basically for that purpose. In place of creating your animations from images, you can directly use a GIF to show the animation, right? So let's start this. I'm going to create a new project, right? Let's name this as GIF lib demo. So I'm using empty activity, main activity, and finish. So our build is running. This will take some time. So meanwhile our build is running. Let's read this library. So basically this library says that in order to use this library says that for setup you just have to insert this dependency in your Gradle of Android Studio application, and on the top level Gradle you just have to check these things, like in the build script you have to repository of Marvel Central, and all projects repository you should have Marvel Central. That's all. And this library have some in order to use this you just have to place an in XML, and you can set the src, like in the image view you set src. So in this you just have to give the URL of your GIF. That's it. Okay, so from you can also set the image and make any things from Java code also. So basically I'm using Kotlin, so we will convert this into Kotlin, and I will show you if you want, but for now we are only using XML. These are some cool features. If you want you can go and see this. This have some animation control on the GIF also, like stop the animation can be called in any thread, stop, start, is running, reset. You can go and read this documentation of this library and get to know more about this. But for now we are just learning how to insert, how to use a third-party library, so we will ignore this part. If you want to do more you can go on this link and see. I will insert the link in the description. So here our build is ready. Let's see, go to our XML. That's cool. So as this library say, go to our build.gradle. Here we are. So we just have to insert this thing, go this, just copy this and paste this. I'm just inserting a comment before this library this. So I'm inserting comment because in future we have lots and lots of libraries in our, maybe lots and lots of libraries we are using in our application. So to know which library is used for which purpose, I use comments. So it's the good practice in your coding. That's all. It's not important. Okay, so go to your top level and just build script Marvin Central. Just add this, and in your this, that's it. Now just sync now, click on sync now. So here our project is synced. This library is saying I'm getting an error that manifest merger failed. Use HDK minimum HDK version 15 cannot be smaller than the version 70 declared in library. So the library I am going to use is saying that your minimum SDK version should be greater than 17. So just change this to 17 and sync now. So I'm just showing you guys to how to integrate any library. So it's not that matter the what minimum SDK version we are going to use. If you want to use minimum SDK version 15, you can go to Google and search that library which support minimum SDK version 15. So that doesn't matter at all for now. Okay, so here we are. I'm just changing this constraint layout to, let's say, relative layout, because I don't like much constraint layout. So that's all. Now we have to just insert this GIF image view tag to use GIF in order to use GIF. So before that, in our resource folder we should have GIF. So I have a sample GIF here. As you can see, it's I'm going to use this GIF. So just copy and paste this in your drawable. Cool. Like GIF image view, that's all. Match parent, and now say src will be drawable. Okay, you can't preview the GIF, so you have to run your application in order to see what the actual output of the GIF is. Now I just want to scale type fit xy. That's all. Now here we can see our GIF is look like this. I'm just going to insert a text view also. That's all. And cool, here we are ready. We have, as you can see, we have used a third-party library. We have integrated a third-party library, and using that I have inserted a GIF in our application. So let's run this and see whether it's working or not. Just this initializing access5x API 25. Okay. So launching activity. Now as you can see here, we have a GIF running on our screen. So I have used a third-party library for it. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section, or the contact detail of mine is in the channel description. You can go there and you can contact to me. And I have a Facebook page, the link is in the description. You can go there and put your queries there also. You can talk to me there also. So thank you so much. Just like this video and subscribe to my channel for some more Kotlin and Android apps related videos.